It's a few days later, but I wanted to show you how my workstation turned out. So this is it. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. I really love the color combination and everything. It is so me, simple, but with added touches. I have this lamp. It's a Kate Spade lamp. Got it at Home Goods for around $30 or $35, no more than $35. I also got this little clock from Home Goods for I think $12. I have this beautiful card that is going with the aesthetic that my fiance gave to me. Of course, I have my laptop. I got this laptop stand from Amazon for $20. My mouse pad and its matching coaster was purchased from Amazon for $12. I just have this empty coffee cup here, but I'm a big tea drinker. To the back here, I have some perfume samples. I also have this cute perfume that I recently got. It is Eilish by Billie Eilish. I got that at Ulta not too long ago. And then I have some faux tulips that I have in water here to give it a more realistic look. Of course, I purchased my desk from Amazon. I will leave it linked down below. And I also purchased this vanity chair, which is super comfortable, from Amazon. This was the cheapest chair I could find on Amazon. My channel, it's the girl Cindy here, back with another video, back with another weekly vlog. I am actually dressed and ready, waiting on my Uber. That's supposed to be around 9 minutes away, but I am going to the nail salon. My nails have been looking pretty busted for the past week and a half, so it's time. My fiance and I are actually going to PA tomorrow, back to his hometown, for his sister's graduation. She is graduating out of cosmetology school, if I am not mistaken. So we're going for that, and I need my nails to be done. But yeah, I don't want to do too much rambling. I'm going to try to film at the nail salon. I've still not gotten comfortable with filming out in public, y'all. It takes a lot, especially since I'm just filming on my phone. It should be easier because it's not like I have a camera in people's faces, but we're not there yet. So I'm gonna see how much I can actually film, or if I'll film at all when I get there. Let's see if I could, muster up the courage. But that's what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So let's go. what they broke and you're so
Oh, damn, you fucked that up. This is why it broke.
That's what I
You
said.
said that's why.
That's why they broke and you're so paid.
The song they say, this is why they broke.
Oh, this is why.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes your word just hypnotize me, and I just love your flashy ways. This is why they broke and you're
There
so
you go! We're on the microphone here, double smelling cologne. You riding chrome, got bitches in the kitchen, never home alone.
Vroom. Why do we always know that part of the song?
Everybody know that part.
Hey y'all, it is Sunday. D and I just came out. We're trying to go to Cracker Barrel. He went to see how long the wait is, but it's looking like an hour or two. I don't know. So we might not stay here, even though we really wanted Cracker Barrel today. I've actually never been to Cracker Barrel before. I've had Cracker Barrel before, but never sat down and eaten at a Cracker Barrel. So he was like, yeah, today's the perfect day. But apparently everyone else was thinking the same thing. So let's see. fragrance. This is Eilish by Billie Eilish. Cute bottle. I'll show you guys when I get home. Smells really nice. Definitely a fall fragrance. Welcome back to the vlog. It is Monday, so the last time y'all saw me was... It is a Monday, it's Tuesday. Yeah, long weekend, foggy brain. Sorry, the last time y'all saw me was on Sunday when we were going to Cracker Barrel, or when we were at Cracker Barrel. Today is Tuesday. It's the start of the week after a very long weekend. A much needed and nice long weekend at that. And I think I could speak for a lot of people when I say that. But yes, Tuesday, back on the grind. I'm probably going to end this video off today, even though this vlog wasn't very eventful, if I might say so myself. I know it wasn't because I hardly picked up the camera. There was just a lot of work to be done last week in terms of work for my 9 to 5. But yeah, I do want to give y'all a little more content, and since I'm going to just be home today and be going about my daily routine, I'm like, let's turn on the camera. Let's go out with a bang, okay? So what I'm going to do is make breakfast for myself so you guys could get an idea of what I eat in a day when I'm here by myself. You know that when I have work to do, I would normally just eat cereal. But this morning I have a little bit of time. Making breakfast after the weekend is usually easy for me because I typically have some type of leftover, whether it be bread, Hawaiian bread in the cupboard that I could easily make myself a quick French toast, or just regular toast, or I would probably make some type of Belizean style pastry or something like that, and then I would have that left over. All in all, yeah, I make brunch over or during the weekends, so making breakfast on Monday or Tuesday is typically easy because I would have something to work with. This morning I have some pancake batter left over that I made yesterday. So I'm going to make myself some pancakes. I'm going to fry an egg. I don't think I'll do the whole bacon shebang this morning because I'm not a big meat eater. I know if my fiance was here, yeah, definitely throw some bacon in the oven to get nice and crispy. But it's just me. So pancake and eggs is what I do. And then I'm going to go ahead and do some work, clean up a little bit, and we will see where the day takes us. So this is my breakfast: 2 pancakes, 2 eggs over hard. I don't like my eggs runny. So the way to get your eggs hard, if you don't want them scrambled, is to place a pot cover over them so it can kind of steam while frying. That sounds terrible, but that is how you get the perfect over hard eggs. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put some of this syrup that I popped into the microwave for about 40 seconds over my pancakes. And that's it. I'm now about to refill these plugins. I'm a wallflower girl, but my fiance is an earwick guy, so we rolling with it. We actually went to Target over the weekend and picked up these refills. This is the almond milk and honey refill from Earwick. This smells so good. I'm super excited. Like I said, I'm a wallflower girl, but I'm excited to refill all of these and plug them in because I know our apartment is going to smell so good. Excuse me. We are heading into fall. Labor Day weekend is over. That signals the end of summer. And I think that this is a perfect transitional scent for your home if you have Airwick plugins. Try it, y'all. Again, this is the almond milk and honey. And I'm telling you, don't let the name throw you off. It smells amazing. We are into our fragrances, but we are also into candles and smell goods for our house. So, yep. As soon as we smelled it, we were both like, this the one. This the one. Alright, so I'm gonna put one in the guest bathroom, one in this dining slash kitchen area. I'm going to put one in the guest room, and then this last one, I'm still not sure. I think I'm gonna put this in our bedroom. So let's get to it. It is 3:20 p.m., way beyond lunchtime, and my stomach is growling. I've just been at my computer working this entire time. I have some spring mix. Gonna make a quick little salad. Spring mix, some little baby or cherry tomatoes, I guess you call it. I have cheese here, my dressing of choice. This is so good. This dressing is fire. And I also have some chicken and bacon here. I made a salad over the weekend, and this is the leftover, so I'm gonna just pop this into the microwave real quick while I get my other ingredients tossed together. Of course, I have to wash my greens because it has to be clean. Okay, I got work to do.